Welcome to Best Cars Review. Today, we dive deep into one of the most anticipated performance beasts of the decade, the 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo. Nissan has once again raised the bar, blending aggressive design, track-focused performance, and cutting-edge technology into a car that's nothing short of a legend reborn. This R38 Nismo isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement of dominance in the supercar world. The moment you see it, the redesigned aerodynamic body commands attention with sharp, sculpted lines, massive air intakes, and a wider stance for ultimate stability. The front fascia gets a more aggressive grille with enhanced airflow management, while the carbon fiber hood and side skirts reduce weight and increase downforce. At the rear, the massive Nismo spoiler and quad titanium exhausts scream racing heritage. Under the hood, the 2025 GT-R R38 Nismo packs a heavily tuned 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, pushing an incredible 710 horsepower and 715 Nm of torque. Thanks to Nissan's Nismo engineering, turbo response is sharper, and acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h happens in just 2.6 seconds. The advanced all-wheel drive system works seamlessly with an updated 6-speed dual-clutch transmission for lightning-fast gear changes, keeping power delivery consistent whether on straight roads or sharp corners. Every mechanical component is tuned for pure performance, from the upgraded suspension with adaptive damping to the carbon ceramic brakes that provide unmatched stopping power. Inside, the R38 Nismo continues to blend performance with luxury. The driver-focused cockpit is wrapped in premium Alcantara and carbon fiber, with red Nismo stitching that instantly reminds you of its racing DNA. The seats are lightweight yet highly supportive, designed to keep you planted during high-speed maneuvers. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time telemetry, G-force tracking, and customizable driving modes. The infotainment system includes the latest connectivity features, but its true charm lies in the Nismo performance interface that lets you monitor every aspect of the car's behavior on track days. Driving the 2025 GT-R R38 Nismo is nothing short of an adrenaline rush. The steering is razor-sharp, the throttle response is instant, and the grip from its advanced AWD system makes cornering at high speeds effortless. Whether you're on a racetrack or the open highway, the R38 delivers an intoxicating blend of raw power and refined control. Nissan has also enhanced sound insulation to reduce unwanted cabin noise, but once you hit the accelerator, the roar from the titanium exhaust is pure music to any car enthusiast's ears. Safety and technology are equally impressive, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to make daily driving more practical. Despite its performance pedigree, Nissan has ensured the R38 Nismo can be enjoyed beyond the racetrack, offering comfort and convenience without compromising its thrilling personality. The 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo is more than just a car, it's the ultimate evolution of Godzilla. It represents over 50 years of Nissan's racing heritage, refined with the latest technology and engineering brilliance. For those lucky enough to own it, this machine is a dream come true, built to dominate, designed to inspire, and destined to become an instant classic. If you want a car that blends heart-pounding performance, jaw-dropping design, and everyday usability, the R38 Nismo is the ultimate answer.